Top Chrome Extensions for Web Designers and Developers 2024. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore essential Chrome extensions designed for web designers and developers. These tools are crucial for streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. Join us as we discuss and install each extension, unlocking new possibilities to elevate your web design projects. Let's dive in. The first extension we'll explore is What Font. To get started, head over to Google Chrome's Extensions menu, then navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for What Font and select one from the multiple results. Click on Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. Once the extension is added to Chrome, you're all set. Now, let's do a quick test on the S2 Dev website. Simply click on the What Font extension icon, and you'll instantly identify the font used. Clicking on the text will reveal additional details like font size, line height, and color. ColorZilla, and this is a color picker and a gradient generator that you can use to get the color of any pixel on the web page, and this is great for web design, so if you see a color that you like, you can use ColorZilla to quick get the hex code or the RGB value. To install it, follow the same steps as with the What Font extension. To give it a try, place your cursor over the color you want to identify, and ColorZilla will promptly display the hex code and RGB values of that color. You can then easily incorporate these values into your application. Wappalyzer is a browser extension designed to identify which technologies are being used in websites, analytics tools, and more. To add this powerful tool to your browser, simply follow the same steps we used for installing the previous extensions. Let's put it to the test. We're eager to find out which technologies power both the React website and the chat.openai website. Let's dive in and uncover the tech behind them. Upon clicking the Wappalyzer extension icon, we can see list of technologies revealed. Fake filler is a form filler that allows you to quickly fill out forms with fake data. So let's start by install it. So a lot of times we're building applications where we need to fill out forms constantly, and instead of typing out everything, we can click just this icon and it will just fill out the forms for us with just some fake data. We can populate the search engine website forms using the fake filler icon. Quick Source Viewer is a Chrome extension that shows HTML, JavaScript, and CSS sources of a page. As always, we start by installing it. So if we click the icon, we'll see the source code in New tab. You can search through the files and view the code in Tree View. User Agent Switcher is simple, but powerful extension. And much easier to use the internet, regardless of which browser or operating system you prefer. So it's simplest way to switch between user agents in your browser. So this is great for testing how your website looks on different devices. You can click on the icon, then choose from a list of user agents. Web Developer Checklist is an extension that helps web developers easily discover problem areas in websites. Once installed, simply click on the icon to access a checklist of items that you can mark off as you go.